Look at her go. Wait till she gets to the carrot. Her name's Cockatiel. We literally named her Cockatiel. To encourage them to have babies, you just need a nest box, and they need a lot of sunlight hours and to be nice and nutrient. We've been separating the birds. It's probably been more than a month for sure. I said I was gonna wait 2 months. Reckon it's time we switch her over to this cage. When we first got her, New Bird was all into her. Lost interest over time, and now it looks like Nismo's about to cook her. Let's go ahead and do this. The day has come. They've been staring at her for months. He doesn't know what to do. Who will she choose? Now I have to study him and see who she chooses. He's just always next to her. It's like if he's a little couple with her, you know? What are you gonna do, New Bird? Oh, they're both fluffing up on sight. Get her, New Bird. Do it now. New Bird. Get her, New Bird. Oh my. Nismo, come and cook her. You can't just keep doing that, New Bird. Oh, there he goes. Well, she's technically mine, so he's kind of cooking her from me. Huge male display when they heart-shape their wings. Look at him. He's trying to bouge up for her. New Bird! What, is that all you got, New Bird? Let me find out you're eating it. Build something. Keeps pecking her. It's time for the nest box to come out. Status update. We have some millet. That's the first thing they went for, the damn millet spray. Then it looks like the spinach. Cockatiel went for the white one, which is, what is that? White broccoli? This one right here is Nismo. Dude, they're smashing. This isn't how it's gonna stay. Afraid that the birds will bite this. It's known for a male cockatiel to go ahead and explore the nest box before the female enters, so he could make sure it's secure and all that. As you guys saw, New Bird has been already smashing. Thumbs up to New Bird. I wasn't talking to you, Cockatiel. She's peeking, she's peeking. What the? Oh shit. He is vicious. He's getting that nest ready, huh, Nismo? Look at him. He said, follow me, babe. I don't think he wants you in there, Nismo. Oh. He just wants her in there, dude. Look at him. Look at him, he's so happy. New Bird. He's going in. She likes it. Every time I play the guitar, this guy's out here smashing. Look at him. He's hitting the air. Oh, I hear her though. Pull her mohawk back, dude. Oh, I think that was it, honestly. Did we just catch him on film? To sum things up, if you're interested in cockatiel breeding, it's not always guaranteed that a male and a female will always be a pair. That does not mean that Nismo here can't have a little baby himself. If I was to maybe purchase another female, one of two ways. One, new bird smashes both of them and handles both of them, or new bird bosses up and takes the other female. No plans of getting another female. The female will only be in the cage with the male when you're planning to breed them. If you're not breeding them, you're gonna have to remove the female from the male, or else they'll constantly keep breeding, and that's never good. Your bird's health is most important when considering breeding birds. Not sure if I'll be removing Nismo from this cage. As soon as all this is done, if she lays eggs, if she takes care of them properly, and if everything goes well, then I'll be removing her after the babies can feed themselves. There's always instances where the parents don't know how to raise a baby, so hopefully this isn't the case with Cockatiel. She's most definitely old enough. Some other tips when breeding: you'll need a nest box for them. Currently have some wood chips in there, as well as some newspaper for bedding. Need to add some more bedding for them, like some hay or something. Greens are really important. A cuddle bone would be good. And the female needs to receive 10 hours of sunlight. Other than that, that's about it. I would recommend separating the birds and letting them see each other for a couple months. That'll really tease them, so when you put them together, next day they'll be smashing. Should we get another female? New bird! New bird! Oh. I think he's over it. Look at these two. Can groom her, dude. Cockatiel was acting like a snake inside of her nest box, so I'm pretty sure she's getting ready to lay some eggs or something. Look at this dude, he is so greedy. He just lays the pipe, that's it. Don't hit him up for nothing. When Cockatiel got here, Newbird just got all the attention towards her, and he didn't really care for me. They knew I wasn't a threat. Newbird was always a little bit more fidgety than Nismo. Nismo hears this little guy here, his hand raised. Is that why Newbird's just such a bigger stud? Because he's from the streets? He's just so happy. He's like, so cute. He's missing a thumb too, so she's gonna boop your ass off, Newbird. Let me go for the camera if anything. That's gonna go ahead and be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more. Peace. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at KZ_production.